You wouldn't survive this. What if you fell into Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system with no surface to land on? At first, it looks beautiful. Swirling clouds, endless storms. But the moment you enter, you're already falling. There is nothing to stand on. No ground, no escape, only deeper and deeper. Gravity pulls you faster, faster than anything you've ever felt. You accelerate into a planet that never ends. And then, something changes. The deeper you go, the heavier everything becomes. The atmosphere thickens. It presses against your body. Breathing becomes harder, every second worse than the last. Then the storms hit. Winds faster than 600 kilometers per hour. Massive storms, larger than Earth itself. Lightning tears through the clouds. You're not watching it, you're inside it. And it gets hotter, much hotter, thousands of degrees. The deeper you fall, the more extreme it becomes. Your body wouldn't survive this, not even close. But you're still falling, deeper. Something strange happens. The gas begins to change. It becomes thicker, heavier, until it turns into liquid. An ocean, not of water, but hydrogen. Dark, endless, silent. No light reaches this far. Only pressure, crushing pressure. Strong enough to destroy metal, like it's nothing. And you keep going. At some point, you wouldn't exist anymore. Not as a body, not as anything. Jupiter wouldn't just kill you, it would erase you. And the worst part? You would never reach the center. Because Jupiter doesn't really have one. It just keeps going, deeper and deeper, forever.